Do you have recipes all over the place? Are your family and friends always asking you for your recipes? Get organized and create an online recipe box and even print a cookbook in 3 easy steps with the great Family Cookbook Project recipe book software system. This is Chip Lowell, and he programmed the software here at Family Cookbook Project. Back in 2004, his high school chum, Bill Rice, gave him a ring. He was on holiday with family, and everyone was making great food. So of course, recipe swapping began. But no one had recipes to just hand out. Bill thought, wouldn't it be great if we had a recipe box online with all our family favorites? Maybe even print a cookbook from that. Well, that's where the great Family Cookbook Project was born. Bill asked Chip to set up a system for his family, and while Chip was at it, he thought, I bet tons of families would want to use this. So he set it up. We now have had over 1.5 million recipes added from the tens of thousands of families and individuals. How easy is it to get your recipes organized? Just add recipes and photos, choose your cover, dividers, recipe layout, and fill a clip art. Print your own Mac or PC printer, a local printer such as CallQuick, or order professionally printed cookbooks from us. 3 simple steps. But you really can get into it too. You can create your own covers and dividers, create custom food categories, set up your own custom recipe layout, and lots more. No need to be a computer expert. Even Bill's mum can use it. And you don't have to do it alone. Family Cookbook Project is different, truly different. We are more than just cookbook software. Our online tools are designed to help you with your projects by inviting family and friends as recipe contributors and keep them motivated throughout the collection process. We make it easy to not only design a great-looking cookbook, but to make it easy and fun. Then everyone can share the recipes on any PC or Mac or mobile device. We even have an app for your iPhone or Android for quick reference in the grocery store and the kitchen. So get started now. We have a free personal version for individuals, and you can start a family cookbook for 30 days for free. Just fill out this form. Cheers!